Hello, let's understand the process of vegetative propagation. What do we mean by vegetative propagation? So if you see this plant, it has two parts. Vegetative part, which includes stem, leaves and the roots, and the flowering part where the flowers are born and they develop into seeds. As you can see here, they develop into seeds and you can grow them into a new plant. So I have here fennel seeds or soft, what we call soft, and I've grown soft plants from these seeds, fennel seeds. Let us see how propagation takes place through leaf. As you can see here, great example is bryophyllum. So you will find that at the leaf notches, a small adventitious buds are given out and they develop into plants and they get separated from the mother leaf, and you can see that the mother leaf has already started drying up and they grow into new plants. How do plants propagate through stem? Another example is here of beets. You can see here this is beetroot plant and it's a type of a tap root, as you see here, but slowly and slowly this will become thick and it will become like this, like a proper beetroot. Let's come to stems. How do we propagate the plants through stems? So first one is through rhizome, which is a type of modified stem. You can see here, great example is, you can see here ginger. You can see the roots coming out and the shoot. This is ginger here. Another example of rhizome or stem propagation is turmeric. You can see here, if you scratch it will be yellow, turmeric. So this is the turmeric plant. Next we come to bulb. Bulb is also a type of modified stem. An example is onion or garlic. You can see a small garlic here and the plant has come out here. If you see potato, which is also a type of modified stem or tuber, it has small eyes, which we call eyes, and new plant comes out from these eyes, which are actually the nodes. Another method of stem propagation is layering, which is seen in jasmine and in strawberry. So you'll see that the aerial stem, it is put into the soil. You can see it's going into the soil and it's growing here. And at the nodes which are there inside the mud, in the soil, they develop roots. So eventually what will I do? I will cut from here and I will get two plants. One is the mother plant and this is a new plant. So same way I've done with the second branch also. I put it in the soil and it will bear roots at the nodes and I will get another plant. Another method of stem propagation is through cutting. As you can see, I put cutting of this lantana plant. This is lantana plant and it has developed roots. So what is the advantage? See, it has grown so fast, but if you compare it with the seeds, they will germinate and then slowly they will grow and they will take a lot of time. As you can see here, these seeds, so they will take a lot of time to grow up into this plant. But when you do stem cutting, then the plant grows faster also. If you see this lantana plant, I have tried to do grafting here because this plant bears purple flowers while the other flower, plant that you see at the back, it bears yellow flowers. So I want to combine the properties both the parent plants. What have I done? I've taken the root part of this purple plant, which is called stalk, and I've taken the stem part of this yellow flower, which is called cyme, and I cut it in such a way so that both of them they can be put this way, and I can put a cloth here, and after some time at the site of injury new tissue or callus will form and this new stem will become a part of the old plant. So this way I can do grafting, and grafting is done in rose, mango and apple. So what are the advantages of vegetative propagation? That they bear flowers and fruits earlier as compared to a plant which is developed from seed. The plants which have lost the property of bearing seeds can be propagated by this method, and new plants are genetically similar to the parent plants. Thank you.